my own silhouette. I'm getting
Hey guys, so yeah, I got a few more packages came today. Should probably just unbox them or open them up, see what they are, and then yeah, go from there. Oh yo, so yeah, I recently purchased some Cat 6 cables for my router. A bit of a hardcore gamer, but yeah, I got some Cat 6 cables. So they're rated for like I think 1000 Mbps, and they have like good insulation and stuff, or less noise and stuff. But main reason, they're much shorter, and they can handle up to a higher speed than the usual Cat 5, Cat 6 internet Ethernet cables that you usually get from like your internet provider. So yeah, so it'll reduce the, I would say like the delay time from your router to your thing by a bit, not much, but yeah. These just to handle the bandwidth that I have, because I have a gigabit fiber, so I got up to like 1000 Mbps download and upload or whatever. But yeah, so I'm probably just chuck these on now and show you. Plus they're gold plated, it's a bit of conductivity or whatever. Much shorter, it's real good. So, that one out as well. One of the fiber, optical fiber terminal. Yeah, it's good. Just tidies things up for me as well. It's much shorter in length, so it would give it a bit of response time from coming from here to here to here to there. It's much shorter. It's just one of these cables is already longer than both of them already. So yeah, that's good. And plus they can handle a higher speed, so I'm changing them as well, because these ones don't really hold up to the capability of the internet I have. Yeah. That on the set. Oh yo, sweet. So let's take this out quickly. So I purchased another Bride gearbox cover, but I'm gonna probably install this on my handbrake cover just to match it and yeah, make it look nice. Let's give you a quick look. So yo, I'm gonna probably just cut this up and then put it right here, just right over the cover here. I'm just covering it straight down to the handbrake, and I'll just stitch around it, around the handbrake, just to cover it all up and make it look nice, so I can just match the gearbox one. That's sweet. They look good though. I like the bright ones. Yo, so I ordered another HDMI cable too, because I think this is like a meter, 1.8 meters or 1.5, 1.8, 2 meters, whatever long. It's a nice braided one, the gold plated, but yeah, it's kind of a bit long for my liking, so just increase the response time a little bit better too. Plus I'll be getting a new monitor. This one I've had for like 5-6 years since high school, and hopefully a new next gen console for you. Hey guys, before you go, yeah, I just created a new car club. It's called Street Development. If you guys are keen to join, then just let me know. And I have some sick ass banners coming out soon, so yeah, you can get them in white, red, and I think black. So yeah, they're gonna look mean as. I'll put some clips up later on when they all arrive. They're on some of the boys' cars. Hey guys, so sorry for the short clip. Just few of my car parts have been delayed overseas, like the turbo and that. I think they're still in like customs, or they're still trying to get it shipped. But just because what's happening at the moment with COVID, yeah, they can't really ship it or something. Just got delays. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the short clip. Thanks.